Welcome back to Enjoy Racing, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on getting this truck fixed. This 2013 F250 gasser that the animals decided to attack. If you've been following my shorts, we got to fix these wires and find out if there's anything else that's been chewed through. I mean, there's some vacuum lines and stuff, but we're going to address all that. We got our heat shrink butt connectors and then heat shrink to go on top of all of it. Is that 100% the best way? Probably. I mean, it depends on who you listen to, who you talk to, which everybody's got their own opinion on how to do this. This is the way I'm doing it. In all honesty, we probably should buy a new harness, put a whole new harness in it. We're not doing that. It's a plow truck at this point in time. And it's not worth the time or investment. We're going to put the wires back together. We're going to make it work. And he's going to be able to plow snow next winter. That's the plan anyways. So we're going to get this back together. We're going to make a plug wire. We're going to do what needs to be done to make this work. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit here. We're going to wrap there for tonight. My wife just called me and we're going to go get dinner. But we got all of those fixed. What, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hate shrinked 1, so that's 5. We got 1, 2, 3 more wires. 1, 2, 3 more wires on that. And then however many is on this throttle position. I don't know what. 2, 4, 6. 6 wires? 2, 4. Yeah, it looks like 6 wires there. And then some hoses. And like I said, the spark plug wire. So we are plugging away at it. Tomorrow I'll get the GoPro out. You know, I'm here in my nice reclined position laying across the hood of this truck. Like literally laying across the hood of this truck. So I'm not bent over. Trying to save my back. But that's where we're going to stop for tonight, and we'll probably pick it up tomorrow morning if I get up early enough. As you guys saw, I have this all put back together for better, for worse. There's probably better ways, there's worse ways. I do it the best way I can. Probably should have had a new engine harness, but we're not into all of that. We got that put back together, got that put back together, got the vacuum lines linked back up. It starts, it runs, no check engine lights, no nothing. Now we got to do brakes on it, but that's another time, another project. We'll walk around here. And all the lights go away, because that was the first thing he told me when he found out it had a problem. He turned it on and every light on it came on. And you're running. So we got this knocked out, which is a good thing. You know, he can have his truck back for now. Like I said, we got to do the rear brakes on it now because they're making noise. You know, never-ending cycle of fun, especially in my world. There we go. Shut that off. It's going to get put outside, and the next thing will come in, which now is my daughter's car. You know, my never-ending hemorrhoid. But that's that for that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. All that fun stuff. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Go watch another video. Even if it's one you've seen before, but you like it, go watch it again. Thanks, guys.